Hi, it's Scott from Cushie Audio, the importer of Grom. The VLine is becoming very popular. Today I'm going to unbox one and show you that anyone can get them going. You don't have to be too technical. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a car compatible with the VLine. Fortunately, I don't get to work on many cars these days, but we've got them on our bench here. This is a typical Lexus unit out of an IS. This one will fit most of the Lexuses from 2010 to 2012, a lot of the Toyota Saharas as well. So let's open it up and show you how easy it is. An installation manual and a user manual. The main module itself, the two main harnesses, GPS antenna and an extension USB lead. Alright, let me show you just how easy it actually is. I'll just turn this around. Now, in your car, you'll have to find these ports. These are keyed, you cannot plug them into the wrong port. That plugs into the module like so. Now this video lead in your car, you'll probably already have something plugged in here. So you unplug it and then you plug it back into there. And this one simply plugs into there. Ta-da! That is done. Now turn the key on. Recycle the ignition. Look at that. That's all it took. Now, mounting the module. That's up to you to decide, but you've got lots of lead. Put it in the glove box, somewhere where you can get to it. Then you can watch my other videos on how to set it up. But we always start by getting it online on the Wi-Fi. That easy.
I love technology.